If you want to make stickers but you don't have any expensive equipment, well, I'm here to tell you, you don't need it. All you need is a free Canva account, a printer, sticker paper or vinyl, and scissors, and a little bit of patience. So let me show you how. Open your Canva and create a new design. I'm going to create an A4, but if you use a letter size, then create letter size. The first thing to do is change the background to any color other than white. I like to use light colors so it doesn't use too much ink, so I'll choose this light pink. Next, go up to uploads and add your design to Canva. I've already uploaded mine, but if you need to upload yours, go to upload files or simply drag and drop your design on the canvas. So I've added the design. Now I'm going to remove as much of the empty space around the design as I possibly can without clipping my design. Really quick and easy. Canva makes it really simple. This looks good. Now we're going to go up to edit photo and we're going to find shadows under effects. Click on shadows and then click on outline. It's going to add an outline straight away, but I want to adjust it. I want my size to be 50 because I find that looks best. The blur amount's going to stay at 0. The angle is going to go up to 100. The distance is going to stay at 0. The intensity is going to stay at 100. And I'm going to change the outline color to white, but you can change it to any color you want. Now that we have our outline, I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to size my design. Canva works in millimeters when it's on A4, so I'm going to change mine to 80 millimeters width right here. And now I'm going to fill the whole page. Canva has really nice guides to align, so I'm going to use the guides and fill the page. Now I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to make sure they're both aligned. I'm going to select both of them and choose duplicate. Once you've duplicated and aligned the second row, Canva's going to then fill it automatically for you. If you see that it's snapping and you don't want it to be quite this far away, zoom in a little bit and drag it slightly. There we go. I'm happy with this. I'm going to zoom out again, and all I'm going to do is press duplicate. With Canva, it's so easy. This is not sponsored. Anyone can make stickers. If you use Canva and you have a little bit of patience to cut them out by hand, you can do it. So I'm happy with how this is aligned. So we're now going to download the file. Go up here to share and press download. I like to download mine as PDF print because it gives me the best print options, but you can download it as PNG if you'd like, or any other format, but I would recommend PDF print. Once the file's downloaded, open it and go to your printer. Now these settings are going to be slightly different for everyone depending on the printer you use. I'm going to show you my settings for my Canon printer, and you try and replicate them as best as you can with the printer you have. Choose photo printing, remove borderless. I keep my media type at glossy regardless of what I print on. Matte or glossy, doesn't matter. Keep it on glossy because it will give you a very sharp image. Print quality high, paper size A4 for me. If you're using US letter for you. I like to have a print preview just as an extra step to make sure everything will print fine, and then I press OK and then press print. Once the preview is loaded, you will see that everything is within the print margins, so it will print fine. All that's left to do now is press start printing or print, and once it's printed, let it sit for a couple of minutes so you make sure that your ink is dry, and then take scissors and cut them out. I would recommend using small scissors because it gives you more control, but if you're using large scissors and you're doing just fine, then keep at it. Don't give up. You can make stickers and you don't need anything expensive. All the best.